We're standing in the exhibition Ancestors of Congo Square, African Art in the New Orleans Museum of Art. The title of the exhibition is derived from us paying homage to the Africans who were slaves in the 18th and 19th century in New Orleans and who, by decree, were allowed one free day on Sunday afternoons, and they gathered in an area adjacent to the French Quarter known as Congo Square. The exhibition is almost exclusively sculptural, mostly wood. However, there are metals such as gold and iron and other native materials to Africa. The exhibition is taken from our permanent collection, but with this exhibition of only 100 of those pieces in the collection, people are seeing these sculptures in a new light. So it's a wonderful opportunity to see some of our best material now on the first floor in our main exhibition galleries, all spread out and given its just due.